Welcome to my first adequate unboxing video. Today we got the EWA A106, also potentially called the Sound Elf. Packaging says 4 hours, but on their Amazon site says 6 to 8 hours, so not really sure. But let's just crack into it. Let's see where I cut. Okay, so I got that plastic off. Pretty nice box actually underneath that shiny plastic. I just need to get it. Just there we go. Easy peasy. Just pull those back there. And oh, wasn't expecting this. Got a case in here. Just, pretty neat. I'll put that off to the side there. What else we got? Got got the classic packaging. Some instructions. Trying to keep flat. That's pretty good. And but let's get into the main thing here. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. It's a much better build quality than I was expecting. Let's just oops. Pretty solid case. Got this fun green color on it. That was the same in the packaging and the logo. Has this hook on here. But let's focus in on the speaker. It's incredible. I think the on button, along with probably pairing, but it also does track forward, track back, play. Huh. That should have a really clear sound. Let's pair it up. I'll leave it there. Syncing up was pretty easy. Now let's just play something. Wow, that's actually a pretty good sound there. Yep, that's pretty darn good.